Hello my dear friends, this is lecture 392. We have to study here the if in the RL of ground is somehow drop out at a point, what will you do in cutting, in banking and partial cutting and fitting. So I have taken an example of a chainage 10 to 15, that is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 at a distance of 550 meter each. 500 chainage may be 550, 600, 650, 700 and 750. So we have got a ground level like this. There is a dropout at this point, that is at a 12. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is 10 and 11. This is your 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8, 12 there is a dropout. So how will manage, how will calculate the in banking, cutting and partially cutting fitting. So we have to look out. We have taken the case first, which is RL of formation is 52.50 at this point at 10th, and this is dropping by 1:100. So 1:100 there is reduced by 0.5. So we have taken the case first. RL of ground is your written here, that is 50.50, 50.60, 50.30 a dropout and 48.50. This is 50.30 and this is 48.50 and again 47.9, 48. So we have written here that RL of ground is 50, 50.60, 812, 50.3 and 48.50, 813, 47, and we have RL of formation 52.5 and minus 0.5. So we are getting these values. So what is the dropout over here? What is the height of bank over here? Because the RL formation is above the ground level, so this is a banking 2.50, and here also this is a banking. We are getting 1.40. So we are totally these in the banking because whole is writing in a banking portion. So this is a 52.0, their difference is 1.40. We are getting here 1.2 for the upper one and 3 for the downward. We can say though the 50.30 is this and 48.50, then formation level equals to your this is your 51.50. With respect to 51.50, this distance, upper distance is 1.2 and lower difference is 3 meter. So we'll take the 1.4 average will take 2.5 plus 1.4 by 3 for this 11.1.3 will the mean, and 8/12 it will be 1.4 for this and 1.2 upper one. So we are taking the upper one divided by 2, that is we are getting 1. Then second one 3 meter is taken in another way, 3 plus 3.10 by 3.05, and this will give you the solution of dropout. Now next we can go 3.1, 2.3 as usual, and 2.3 and 2 this average. So in this way you can go for the banking. And what will happen in if cutting case 2, this is 48 and 1:200. So this is 50 by 200 means 0.25 reduce. So RL formation is 48, then 0.25 minus 47.5, 47.25, 47 and 46.5. The RL of ground is 52.5, 50.60 and 2 points here there, and this we will discuss. The this is in full cutting, so this is 2 and this is 2.85 difference, so average is 2.42. Now the difference of this 550 and 47.2.80 and 47.5 and 48 another point is 10. So we are taking 2.80 and 2.85, average 2.85 in cutting, and again we are taking this 0.1 and 0.65, averaging 0.825. So this is 0.65, 1.2, averaging 925, and again 1.2 plus 1.2, this is going to 1225. So it is in cutting. So at a drop point, what you have to take the precaution, the previous RL with the first one and the lower again next one to be taken for averaging. Now the partial banking and cutting, what will happen? If you take the case third, that is RL of formation is straight 49.508 each point. So the difference is 0.50, 49 is less, so this will in cutting, and 1.10 will also in cutting. So average of this will be your that is 0.80 will be in cutting. Now you go for this thing, you will get this value 1.1, this 1.1 and 0.8. What is 0.8? For the 50.30 is this one, and 49.5 this. So this is also in cutting, because the difference is this 49 is lower than 50.3. So the difference is 1 plus we add, we are getting this 49.50, 40 for the bottom one, and we are getting 49.50.3, that is 0.8. So 0.8 will come in cutting, and 0.8 will come in cutting, and 1 meter will go for the banking. So we have taken 1.1, 0.8 divided by 2, we are getting 0.85, whatever, 0.95 will be in cutting. So this will cutting, this will be cutting. Another part is a second part, that is this one. This is you can say 0.8 here and 1. So 1 will go for the banking. So 1, and this is 1.6, this is also banking, so you add, this will come in banking. Now again this is also in banking, but at 49.50 is upper than 48.1, so this is banking. So we did 1.6, 1.3 by 2, this is your in banking. So again this is 1.3, this is again banking, so 8, and this is banking, this is banking, this is banking, and the 2 are in the cutting. So in this way, if any dropout is there, you take this point, right, with the level of this formation, and you take in cutting, and this level to this level, if it is this is in banking, so this will be average for the banking. So 3 cases we have developed in this way. If you face any dropout, so you can calculate the earthwork with the help of this, taking the mean depth, and again you can do BD plus SD square, and whatever be the method 1, 2, 3 you can use. So thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.